Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Hair Aesthetics. And today, you guys, I have a video for you guys. So today, you guys, I put a poll on there and we took a vote, and Hannah won the poll. So her face is like all covered in hair, but this is Hannah. Okay. And so I'm going to show you guys how to do, like, if you wanted to call it like a wedding look, or it's going to just be a simple, cute, like ponytail updo, not your average everyday ponytail look, but it's definitely going to be giving wedding vibes and all that. So yeah, don't mind the clips, y'all. We're going to be needing those real soon. So I'm going to show you guys how to do, where'd my comb go, y'all? Hold on one second. Okay, y'all, I found it. I was sitting on it. Okay. So anyways, I'm going to give Hannah a middle part. Let's correct this part real quick. Okay, guys, so Hannah has her middle part, and I'm going to be using my clips to keep her hair pent and keep that middle part like I need it to be. So with that being said, just going to make sure her hair doesn't have any tangles at all. And I'm going to separate one side for her bangs, because she is going to get some bangs, and they're going to be like real cute and a little dainty. So from here, I'm just going to carve out just a little bit of hair, not too much. Okay, and then we're going to pull the rest of that back. So that's about as much bang from that side I want. So like that. And then we're going to repeat the steps on the other side. Okay, guys, so for the rest of the hair, we're going to pull back and put into a ponytail. And like I said, we're not doing a traditional ponytail, as y'all would say. So I'm just going to pull her hair back like so and just comb it. And we're going to put it up pretty high. I'm just getting all the hairs out the way. So we're building that ponytail up really, really high. Like I said, like so. Hold on, y'all. Let me get it to where I want it to be. Okay, y'all. So this is how you want it to look. If you have some hairspray, use it when you're doing your ponytail. I don't have any, but it is in my wish list. But also, if you guys have not, check out my wish list. If you'd like to support or anything like that, go ahead and check that out. So I am going to take my wand and other sections, well, intersections on her hair to get the curls that I want. Also going to use bobby pins to hold those curls around the ponytail. Sorry, y'all, I can't see y'all. To hold those curls with the ponytails. Okay, so y'all get what I'm saying. So I'm going to take my rat tail like so. I'm going to take bigger pieces And I'm just going to wrap the hair on it like that. You only want to do a few seconds, not too long, just to get that curl. And we're gonna pin that curl into place. She got some flyaways, but that's okay. So we're just going to go ahead and pin that down. And as I go, which let me do a little bit more and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, y'all, so I am almost done with the back. Don't look at it like that. But I'm definitely doing her bangs, and as you guys can see, I did do some little curlies back there, but I need to do these bangs real quick.
Yeah.
So, gonna drop those like that. Take out this pin. And then, actually, I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna wrap it this way, going down like this. Oh, but I guess it worked anyway. But hold her head up. I don't know why her hair seems to wanna go the front way when it needs to go the opposite way, like that. Okay, hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am back, and I don't know why her bangs won't stay separated like I want them to, but it keeps going like directly over her eyes. But anyways, y'all, so I have her little twirlies on her little neck thing, and then here is the style. Now, like I said, if I had more hairspray and everything, and like definitely like cute little hairpins, this would have been a lot more fancier than what it looks. It looks a hot mess. So anyways, y'all, this is the look I did for Hannah. Like I said, this can be a cute little prom look, a wedding look, you know, just going on a date or whatever. This is a cute little hairstyle for that. Next time I'm just gonna pin her bangs to the side or something, because let me see, hold on, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I just pinned her bangs out the way for now, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you guys like the way I did Hannah's hair. I used my curling wand that you guys got me in my gift thing, and I really thank you, and I'm putting it to great use, and I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your favorite part of this video that you guys enjoyed. And let me know what you guys think of Hannah's hair. I do have another style kind of similar to this that I'm going to do for either Hannah or Amber. I think I'm going to do it on both so that you guys can really get to see like what it looks like on both heads. Like from going from Afro hair to Caucasian type of hair, or white hair, whatever you guys want to call it, you know, but they're all good hair. But Let me know if you guys want to see it from Hannah's type of hair to Amber's type of hair, which would be like my type of hair, versus, you know, yeah. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know who you want to see next, Hannah, Amber, or Victoria. Who would you guys like to see next in the next video? And until next time, see you guys. Also, you guys wanted me to make a bean taco on my other channel, and I did that. So go ahead and check out that recipe for those fried bean tacos. And yeah, bye guys.